Hi, little friends. Today I'm making magical color-changing slime. We'll go slowly, together. First, I wash my hands. Nice and clean. Good job. I have a big clear bowl. I pour in safe school glue. Squeeze, squeeze. Now a little water. Stir, stir, stir. Grown-up time. A small pinch of baking soda goes in. Now a few drops of contact lens solution to make it stretchy. Squish. Squish with my hands. Stretchy slime. I found cute pictures and videos on pexels.com to show the colors. Now the magic colors. I have purple cabbage juice. It's water turned purple from leaves. Drip. Drip. Drip purple onto the slime. Wow, it turns purple. Let's poke. Boop. Watch closely. The purple turns pink. Now it turns blue. And a little green. Color change. Pink here, purple in the middle, blue and green there. Round and round. Squish, stretch, woo, pop. Time to tidy. Slime in a jar, table gets a wipe, hands get a wash. All clean. Thank you. See you next time. Bye-bye.